Alright, it is Monday, November 26, 2018 at 12:28 p.m. Let's take a look at some weather. Alright, and on National Hurricane Center and the Pacific side, we have two disturbances. We have a disturbance 1 with a 30% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours, and disturbance 2 with a 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. It is well below Mexico, out in the Pacific. Hopefully they do not turn into anything, but it seems to be a little bit late in the game for hurricanes. Just keeping an eye on that. Alright, in the Atlantic, there is tropical cyclone activity not expected during the next 48 hours. So we don't have any disturbances in the Atlantic. Alright, let's take a look at the IR loop right now. There's a lot of moisture coming into Oregon and Washington and parts of Northern California, and also some moisture going across Florida right now. And then also some happening by the Great Lakes. Let's take a look at the full screen radar. Yep, by Washington and Oregon, there's some rain coming in from that disturbance in the Pacific coming in. Also, there is rain coming across Florida right now, going from below Mobile and New Orleans all the way to Jacksonville, Florida, just going across. And some rain going all the way up the East Coast from that jet stream push all the way up to Toronto and Ottawa. So there's rain and moisture all the way up the East Coast, but it seems to be being pushed off. Alright, let's take a look at the next 5 days. Snow. This is where snow should be in the forecast the next 5 days. Alright, let's take a look at the temperatures. The temperatures right now in the middle of the United States, about the Great Lakes, is in single digits, 8 degrees, 9 degrees, and then 10 degrees. And then in Washington, 46 degrees. In Oregon, 46 degrees. In Northern California, 41 and 50 degrees. And in Middle California, 46 to 52 degrees. And in Southern California, 59 degrees. In Texas, we have 42 degrees in the northern part, 39 degrees, and 55 in the southern part of Texas. We have 45 and 38 in Louisiana. We have 73, 79, and 82, pretty much warm again in Florida. We have 43 in Georgia, 56 in Southern Carolina, excuse me. Northern Carolina, we have 56 and 64. In Washington, we have 53. In Virginia. In the northern East Coast, it's pretty much 30s and 40s. And in Massachusetts, it's 47 degrees. And in Maine, it's 33 and 34 degrees. So it's pretty much staying in the 30s, 40s, and 50s in the East Coast. But it's pretty much warm from Florida all the way up to North Carolina and Virginia. It's a bit of a warm spell compared to the northern East Coast, which is still in the 30s and 40s. They're still experiencing a bit of a cold snap up there. Alright guys, that's it for the video today. Hit like, subscribe, and see you next time guys. God bless.